Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm glad you're here. Okay, y'all, so today's going to be a subscription unboxing, and yeah, so I guess we'll just get started because I don't know how long this is going to take, but I've got two to show today. First one is going to be Boxycharm, and depending on what is in this box, I've already seen a couple of spoilers. This may or may not be my last one because I wasn't thrilled with my first one, so. But there was where I was going to cancel it for this month, but there was a couple items in there that I was intrigued by, so I'll see how I feel about this one. So I guess we'll just get started. Okay. And here's what intrigued me the most. This Cover Effect Shimmer Veil. I'm pretty sure this was like, this costs as much as the box does. It's a pearlescent cream, perfect for eyelids, can be used anywhere you want a veil of shimmer. This unparalleled buildable formula feels weightless, it lasts all day, and won't crease or transfer. The directions say use the flat surface of the applicator for eyelids and large areas. And for large areas, use the pointed tip for a more precise application to targeted areas such as the lash line. Blend and set using fingertips or a brush. Repeat to build intensity. Wear alone or over eyeshadow. I'm probably not going to wear this as an eyeshadow. It's really pretty. It's like the most prettiest color of pink ever. But I'm probably not going to use it as an eyeshadow. I'll probably just mix it with my foundation or like put it like on as a highlighter. Let's open it and see what it looks like as far as... Ooh. Wow. Well, y'all, that is really pretty. Let's see. Wow. Girl. Yeah, that's pretty. Okay. To be honest with you, I don't know that I would actually purchase that. Like, I don't know that I would spend the money because I'm not that into glitter, as y'all probably have found that out by now from me, that I'm not a glitter person. But this is pretty. Okay, and then the next thing is this Crown three-piece Pro Brush Trio. I'm so tired. This looks like an eyelid brush. It doesn't say anything, but it probably is. It's really cute. It's pink. These also intrigued me, but I was worried that they might be cheap. But that one didn't feel cheap. This one feels pretty good. It's like a little powder brush or something like that. It's really, that actually feels pretty good. Alright, and this one I guess looks like a powder or a highlighter brush. Pretty. Okay, well, I'm not completely mad about it. Alright, have y'all tried those brushes? Let me know down below if you have. Next thing I see is this vintage smoky eye pencil in jet black. Swatch is pretty good. Okay, that's not bad. I don't have a black pencil eyeliner, so that's pretty good. Next thing I see is this Pure Cosmetics. Oh, it's a plumping lip exfoliator. That is awesome. In fact, I might use that here in just a second. Wonder how you're supposed to use that. Like, I'm obviously use it as like, you know, a lip thing, but I don't know. I'll figure that out in a second, I hope. Okay, and then the next thing I have is this Ofra Cosmetics blush. I guess it's a blush, and it's in Winter Rose Glow, and it's using palettes and kits, which, by the way, I think that is the next thing in here. Now, that's awesome. We got an Ofra Z palette, sort of. That's cool. Okay. I'll go ahead and put that in there. And unfortunately, I did like this box, okay, but I'm probably still going to have to cancel it for a few months. I don't know. Now let's swatch this blush. Oh, it's very subtle. That's pretty. You could almost, depending on your skin tone, you could almost use that as a bronzer. That's really pretty. It has a little bit of shimmer, but it's not overly shimmery. Ooh, that's pretty. Girl, really pretty. I'm gonna have to try that later. Okay. And the Ofra Cosmetics pop-up mini palette retails, that's a mini? Okay. It retails for $19. And the blush Got It refill, I guess, whatever. Got It retails for $12. That's not bad. Then the Shimmer Veil retails for $28. So yeah, it costs more than the box did. Of course, heck, these two things right here cost by themselves almost as much as the box did. These multi-use shimmering cream colors are crease-proof enough for the boldest of eye looks and formulated with a weightless finish for a shimmering effect anywhere on the face, suitable for all skin tones. That's probably where I'll use mine, is on the face. And obviously these are pretty self-explanatory. I don't really have to read the description, and plus I kept messing up on it, but it's just a Z palette that you can, you know, put your own stuff in and rearrange it however you want to. And Vintage Cosmetics Smoky Eye Pencil retails for $21. Jessica's richly pigmented smoky eye pencil delivers intense jet black definition, creating pencil point precision or smudgy saturated color. The creamy soft formula glides on lids without tugging or pulling. Well, we'll have to try that out. And Pure the Complexion Authority Exfo Lip Plumping Lip Exfoliator. Why can't I talk today? Oh my god. It retails for $17 with an instant boost of shea butter, raw sugar, and exfoliating beads. This 4-in-1 lip scrub pencil exfoliates, plumps, and hydrates and soothes, using the shea butter to soften lips, while the raw sugar and exfoliating beads are used to buff away dead surface cells. It moisturizes the lips for a softer, smoother, and more plump lip. So you don't have to use, like, you literally just, I mean, is that right? Huh, okay, I'm gonna have to use that after I get done with this video. Then the Crown Pro Trio Brush Set retails for $29.99. Okay, so this box was pretty expensive. Use this 3-piece Pro Brush Trio to contour your face to perfection. The small brush can be used to conceal imperfections and highlight underneath your eyes. The medium size brush can be used to sculpt the cheekbones and perimeter of the face. Finally, the large powder brush can be used to set everything in place. Okay. Well, this box wasn't too bad. I'll have to think about it if I'm still going to keep it or not, because it wasn't bad. But then again, I do need to save some money, though, and these subscription boxes add up, even though they're so much fun to get. Alright, y'all, so I guess what's up next is Ipsy. And I've already seen my mom's, because she always wants me to look at hers. This is the bag. It's really pretty. I like that. It looks very vintagey. First thing I see is the Pure Fully Charged Mascara powered by magnetic technology. Alright. Gonna have to read about that later because they don't send the card. Oh, and I got another brush. Oh, this is a double-ended brush. That's awesome. It looks like a lid brush / possibly a crease brush. It kind of reminds me of an E25 from Sigma and others like it. And this is like a, I guess, a blending brush. That's awesome. It's Lexi $249. Okay. I'm not mad at it. And my mom got this, I believe. I do believe my mom got this too. My mama. Yep, she did. It's pretty. It's literally a baked highlighter. I don't know if you can see it or not with all the other swatches on my hand, but it's really pretty. Alright. I need like a baby wipe or something. Then this is Naked Cosmetics. Oh, I got another lip scrub. I love lip scrubs, y'all. Oh my gosh. Okay. That's awesome. I can open it, but I don't, well, whatever. I'm not going to worry about that right now. And then this is, oh, I'm not too thrilled about this at all. This is a Marsk Sydney London foiled eyeshadow, and I don't like that color at all. No offense, Ipsy, but this is probably a big old fail for me. I don't like that. Because I'm not that big on glitters. And, of course, I don't like this color. This is way too cool toned for me. It's like silver. Like silver. No. Of course, but that was the worst thing in the box. So the bag. So I guess it's okay. Alright. Well, I guess that was the end of this unbagging of Ipsy and Boxycharm. So I guess I'll just decide later if I'm going to keep getting Boxycharms, because that wasn't a bad box, but it goes $21 a month, and it does add up really quickly with all the other ones, so I did cancel a few of the other ones, so. And I hope y'all enjoyed these unbaggings, and let me know what y'all thought about these products and how y'all feel about them. And if y'all got any of the same things, let me know down below. I always love knowing what y'all got. And please like, share, comment, and subscribe, especially if you're new. I do upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And try to make sure I have pre-filmed videos for y'all. So whenever I'm busy and whatnot, I can still upload. So come back to my channel on those days for new content. And I love you guys so much. And I do want to say that I'm very sorry that I've been MIA the past, I guess, week or so from even though I've been posting videos, I haven't been very active on watching everybody's because I've been so busy with life and work and whatnot. If I'm not watching and commenting on your videos, you know why now. So it's not that I don't love you, it's just that I have things going on. So I hope you guys understand, and thank you so much for watching, and I love you guys so much, and I appreciate you, and I hope you have a great day and a wonderful weekend, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye. Love you.